In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp call failed on iPhone. So, firstly, what we're going to do on your iPhone, so go to the keypad, okay, and then type in star hash 31 hash and call this number, okay. Send this command, and then once this is done, okay, try to restart your phone and see if that fixes the issue. Step 2, what we can do, check your SIM card. So open up your SIM card slot and then try to reinstall it. Okay, reinstall it because sometimes there might be some position or your card is like not set up properly or something like that. So they have some issues. Just try to recheck your SIM card. So and try to insert it and see if that works. Step 3, what you can do, go to your settings on your phone. Okay, go to the settings on your phone and scroll all the way down to general. And then from general, scroll all the way down and hit on transfer or reset. Okay, click on it, and then here tap on reset option and then hit on reset all settings and reset all the settings, and then restart your phone and see that it should have now been fixed. And that's pretty much it is.